All right, here it is. Coconut water with lime juice. What a refreshing drink that is. Very hydrating. Limes have a cooling effect on the body. One of the best drinks first thing in the morning. There you go. Coconut water with lime juice. Nothing in here but pure coconut water and lime juice. You put the lime in the coconut, you drink them both together. Put the lime in the coconut, and then you feel better. Put the lime in the coconut, you drink them both up. You put the lime in the coconut, you call me in the morning. Ooh, 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 ooh. Brother bought a coconut, he bought it for a dime. His sister had another one, she paid it for the lime. She put the lime in the coconut, drank them both up. Put the lime in the coconut, she drank them both up. The lime in the coconut, she drank them both up. The lime in the coconut, she called the doctor, woke him up, said, "Doctor, ain't there nothing I can take?" I said, "Doctor, to relieve this bellyache." I said, "Doctor, ain't there nothing I can take?" I said, "A doctor, to relieve this bellyache." Now let me get this straight. You put the lime in the coconut and drank them both up. You put the lime in the coconut, you drank them both up. You put the lime in the coconut, you drank them both up. You put the lime in the coconut, you called the doctor, woke him up, said, "Doctor, there's nothing I can take." I said, "Doctor, to relieve this bellyache." I said, "Doctor, ain't there nothing I can take?" I said, "Doctor, to relieve this bellyache." Ooh, 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 Many advantages to coconut water. Aids in weight loss. It's low in calories. I think maybe 50 calories there max. Hydrating, super hydrating. Lowers blood pressure, controls cholesterol, cell regulation and growth. It's great for people that get migraine headaches. It's high in magnesium. So if you drink this, 3 or 4 times a week, it's going to aid your weight loss efforts. It'll really speed it up. So, the other thing about coconut water, it's very similar to breast milk, high in those, the essential fatty acids like lauric acid, high in essential minerals like sodium, calcium, potassium, which, regulate our muscle contractions and keep you hydrated. So it's a fantastic drink. I highly recommend it. Now, here's the thing. I've got 2 ingredients in here. And now if I just add 2 more ingredients to this and blend it, I've got an awesome salad dressing. Yes, it's a fantastic salad dressing. You can, if you added 1/2 of an avocado to a whole avocado and 3 or 4 dates for sweetness, you've got an awesome salad dressing. I know for me, I know how important leafy greens are. but I'm sure you've heard the phrase, dress for success. So if you want your salads to be successful, where you can get a lot of grains into your, a lot of greens, I'm sorry, not grains. We don't want grains. No, we want greens. Much better for you, make you strong. So we want to get those greens in, but when we dress our salads with something like coconut water, lime, avocado, and dates blended, now we've got a seriously good salad dressing. So I just wanted to mention that, and you know, put that lime in the coconut and drink it all up. It's very good for you. And I will be doing a series coming up. I want to do a lot of videos on salad dressings. So look for those in the near future, because I know that that's the key for me. You know, if I have a good dressing, I really enjoy my salad. All right, guys, please give this video a like, a thumbs up. Please post any questions or comments. I love your comments. I love hearing from you guys. And you have encouraged me so much to keep this going, because remember, the basic reason that I'm doing this is just to help people realize there are options to solving pain, okay, and health issues. There are options where you don't have to go down that drug road or that surgery road. So that's what this is about, and I hope to hear from you. And all the best. I'm going to fruit up right here, and I'm going to fruit up the rest of the day. You better believe it. You got to do it. If you want to stay healthy, you've got to eat the right fuel. The right fuel is living food. Fruits and veggies should be the majority, or 90 to 99% of your diet. All the best, guys. Fruit up, baby. Take care.